Hello, notary friends. This is Notary Life with Kimmi. Today I'm going to talk about the different loan type packages, okay? So you may be a new notary or you may be an existing notary signing agent, but sometimes when we get those initial offers from the signing companies, we may not know what all the abbreviations mean or what type of package it is, okay? So I'm going to go through them. It's quite a few, so bear with me, okay? So our first package we mostly hear about is a refi. And that's when the client is doing a refi on their home to get normally a lower interest rate or to get money out, okay? And those initials on those loan signing orders will be REFI, okay? And that stands for refi. Sometimes number two would be a hybrid or e-signing. Half the documents have been e-signed already. That's what they call a hybrid. So that means that some of the documents have already been signed electronically by the customer, and then the remaining documents have to be signed by you. So in this particular tip, we're going to add also the term wet signature. Not sure if you're familiar with that. So a hybrid or e-signing will sometimes have half the package, as I stated, already done electronically, and the other half will require what's called a wet signature. And that's when you take an ink pen and you sign it. That's all a wet signature is, okay? The loan modification package is a smaller package. And that just means normally they're maybe having some financial difficulties, maybe not. They just want to take advantage of the benefits that we've had while we've been under COVID and put some of their payments to the end of the loan. So those packages are usually way smaller. Then we also have our purchase/buyer packages, and those are normally smaller also, depending on what state you're in. Again, I'm in Georgia, so anything that we do, attorney has to be present. However, I do a lot of buyer packages from other states. I talked about that in another video, and they tend to be about 50 pages or less. I've had some as many as like 4 or 5 pages. So it just depends. But the purchase packages I have not done personally here in the state of Georgia because, again, it's an attorney state. So I personally have not done any purchase package where the property was located in Georgia. Okay, it might be a deed only signing. Now, those are my favorite because you get paid almost the full value of a package, but it's only like 2 sheets. So look for that. It's a deed only. So it's normally like 1 page or 2 pages, okay? And we already talked about the wet signature. And then a split signing, I have a couple videos on that. Not very thorough, but you can check them out. On the split signing is where part of the package is being signed in one part. It could be another part of the country. It could be in the same, like husband is at work, wife is at home, they couldn't get together. So the people are not together. That's a split signing. So then you also have what's called a HELOC. And you might see a HELOC on the notification from the signing company. HELOC. That's nothing to be afraid of. It's just a home equity line of credit, and that's where a buyer or a signer has taken equity out of their home, and they're usually going to purchase something big, pay off some credit card debt or something like that. So these are all the different packages, and there may be more. This is just a few of the ones that I came up with that you may see in signing notifications. So don't be afraid of any of them. They're all pretty simple. You're still just looking for the line where they have to sign. Make sure you always check for your initial. So you, as a loan signing agent, even a newbie, can accept any of these assignments and you're going to be just fine. Okay, I'm fully confident you got this. So I'll just go over them really quick again. So you have the refi, the hybrid/e-signing, a loan modification, a purchase or buyer package, deed only, and wet signatures when you use an ink pen. Also a split signing, and honestly I did a video on that. I was a little afraid of those, but no need to be. You do your part and the other notary do their part, and it's going to be fine. And the last one I'll mention is a HELOC, and that's the home equity line of credit. So these are all different packages that you may see and receive offers from for signing companies. Again, do not be afraid if you've never done any of them. They're all very similar in the fact that all you're doing is identifying the person, collecting the signatures, and collecting initials normally, okay? So until next time, I'm wishing my notary friends the best, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.